Hello students, welcome back to the fifth video of this playlist. In this video, we will be solving question number 5 from the recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 1, which is the October 2023 P1 paper. So let's get started with question number 5. So right at first you can see a figure 2, the second figure of the paper. So here there is a triangle ABC, it's given. So figure 2 shows the plan view of a frame for a flat roof. Okay, the shape of the frame consists of triangle ABD joined to triangle BCD. Okay, triangle ABD joined to triangle BCD. Okay, fine. So given that BD equals to X, we can see in the figure BD equals to X meter, CD equals to 1 plus X meter, CD it is 1 plus X meter, fine. BC equals to 5 meter, BC it is 5 meter, and angle BCD it is BCD. This is theta degree. We can see everything on the figure 2 clearly. Fine. So part A here it's asking to show that cos theta degree it is equals to 13 plus x over 5 plus 5x. Okay, so cos theta, what is theta? The angle BCD. Okay, so definitely you can figure it out how we can approach this answer. We have to use the cosine rule. So we have to use the cosine rule. So if we use in triangle BCD, if you use the cosine rule, so cos theta equals to what? The sum of the square of the two adjacent sides, that is 1 plus x whole squared plus 5 squared. So 1 plus x whole squared plus 5 squared negative what? The opposite side. The opposite side is x squared, negative x squared over 2 times the product of the two adjacent sides, which is 5 and 1 plus x, 5 times 1 plus x. Okay, now just simplify it. So if you don't know the cosine rule, it's not a problem. It will be given in the formula booklet. You can check it out from the formula booklet. Basically it will be given here, the cosine rule. Okay, so now we have to simplify it. 1 plus x squared, so x squared plus twice of x plus b squared plus 25 minus x squared over 2 times 5 is what? 10. So 10 plus 10x. Okay, so x squared and x squared cancels out from the numerator, and in the denominator it is 10 plus 10x. Okay, so cos theta, degree it is equals to twice of x plus 26. Okay, twice of x plus 26 divide 10 plus 10x. Okay, 10x plus 10. Okay, so 10x plus 10. So now we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 to get x plus 13 over 5x plus 5. 5x plus 5. Okay, so that's what exactly part A of question number 5 has asked to show. Fine. Okay, next is part B. In part B of question number 5, it says given also that x equals to 2 square root of 3, angle BAC this is 30 degree. I think it's given in the figure. Okay, BCD, BAC it is now given. BAC it is now 30 degree. Okay, so angle BAC it's given, and ADC is a straight line. So question B, it's asking to find the area of triangle ABC, giving your answer in meter squared to 1 decimal place. Okay, so we need to find out the area of triangle ABC, the whole triangle ABC. Okay, so for finding the area of triangle, we can use the formula half of AB sine theta. So here if you consider this angle 30 degree angle. So AB is unknown, AC is also unknown. Okay, so it will be difficult. Consider theta. If you consider in place of half of AB sine theta, to consider this formula, we need to know two adjacent side and the angle between them. So if you consider this theta, so adjacent side BC is known, and AC, we should know the length of AC. So we can figure out the length of AC by doing some methods, by some workings. Okay, so to find the length of AC, only the length of AC is unknown. We know the length of CD, so we need to figure out the length of AD. Okay, so to figure out the length of AD, what we need, the length of X is known. We know the angle, so we can figure it out using, okay, if we use the sine rule. Okay, so we will use the sine rule. Okay, to use the sine rule, we need to know this angle. Yeah, we will need this angle. Okay, so let's consider the angle BCD at first. If you consider the angle BCD, the theta is given. We can figure it out from the cos theta from part A. So the value for X is given. So at first consider the value for theta. Okay, so for part B, cos theta, it's given as the value for X is 2 square root of 3. Okay, so 2 square root of 3 plus 13 over 10 square root of 3 plus 5. So theta in degrees, consider your calculator to be in degree mode. So 2 square root of 3 plus 13 over 10 square root of 3 plus 5. Then cos inverse answer, that would give you 42.47074702 degree. Okay, so we got the angle theta. Now we need to figure out this angle. We can use the cosine rule to get this angle alpha, let's say. Okay, so we can use the sine rule. Okay, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, sine alpha over its opposite side is what? If you use the sine rule, sine alpha over the opposite side is 1 plus x, so which is 1 plus 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3 equals to sine theta over its opposite side is x, which is 2 square root of 3. So from there, find out the angle alpha. Okay, so at first sine theta is 42.47074702 degree. So sine answer times 1 plus 2 square root of 3 and then divide 2 square root of 3. So this is the value for sine alpha, which is 0.8701310989. So sine inverse answer, it will give you 60.4738 degree. Okay, we got the angle alpha. Okay, now to get this angle, we need this angle, right? So to get this angle, what we can do is that we can find out this angle, right? Angle BDC. Okay, so angle BDC, it is what? 180 degree minus 60.473 ... that much degree minus, this is the angle alpha, and then the angle beta, angle theta, which is 42.470 that much degree. Okay, so what's the angle BDC? 60.473877, that much, plus plus 42.47074702. So this gives 102.944646. So subtract it from 180. The sum of theta and alpha. Okay. So 180 minus the sum of theta and alpha, it gives 77.0553757 degree. Okay, we got the angle BDC. So as we get the angle BDC, we can get the angle ADB, right? So angle ADB, so angle ADB, it is equals 180 minus 77.055 something, so you will get 102.944624 degree. Okay, we got the angle ADB. So as we get the angle ADB, we can find out the angle ABD. Okay, so angle ABD, it is equals 180 degree minus 30 degree minus 102.944 ... degree. Okay, so angle ADB, it is 180 minus 30 minus 102.944, which gives 47.05537 that much degree. Now use the sine rule. In which triangle? In triangle, it is ABD. Okay, triangle ABD. So sine angle ABD over its opposite side is what? Its opposite side is the side we wanted to find out, that is AD. Okay, so this is AD equals to sine 30 degree over x, opposite side is 2 square root of 3. So from there you can find out the value for AD, the length of AD. So AD, it is equals, let's calculate using calculator. So sine angle ABD, so this is sine 47.0553757 degree. So sine of that, it is 0.732 something times 2 square root of 3. Okay, and then divide by half. We made AD the subject, that's it. So the length of AD, it is 5.07153 that much meter, if I'm not wrong. Isn't it in meter? Yes. So we got the length of AD. So the total, since we got the length of AD, so we can get the length of AC, right? So length of AC equals to 5.071 plus 1 plus 2 square root of 3 that much meter. So this length would be 9.5356 that much meter. Now we can easily find out the area of triangle ABC. This is what? Half of AB sine theta, half of AB. Okay, the product of the two adjacent side of this theta, which are length of AC, so 5 AC and 5. Okay, so 5 times AC, so 5 times 9.53 ... times sine theta. So theta, it was 42.470 something. Okay, so 42.40 ... that much degree. Okay, so now just use your calculator to find out the area. Okay, so 9.53563299 times 5 times half, and then times sine, the exact value is sine 42.47074702 degree. Okay, so that would give you 16.096 meter. So up to 3 significant figures we can write. Okay, they asked to 1 decimal place. Okay, so up to 1 decimal place we can write 16.1 meter squared. This is 1 decimal place. That's it. So okay, it should be 1 decimal place. Okay, so we got the area of the triangle ABC. This is 16.1 meter squared up to 1 decimal place, and that's the end to question number 5. Fine.